How much does YouTube really pay? Welcome to my very honest review. In this video, I'm going to be taking you to my YouTube studio and I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube pays for less than 50 views, 100 views, 1000 views, 40k views. These are the views that I know I have encountered on my channel. So I'm going to be showing you. All right. Also, I'm going to be showing you different categories for which YouTube actually make their payment, because for each content, sometimes the pay is different. Okay. If you just come across this video and you are planning to start becoming a creator on YouTube, or you are a small YouTuber and you're curious to know how much YouTube pays, or you just got monetized and your views are struggling, climbing their way up, and you just want to you want to know how much does YouTube really pay, this video is for you. All right. Okay, so I'm not going to waste time. Let's head over to my YouTube studio to show you how much I earn for each of these category of views that I just described. All right. Okay, so this is my YouTube. Let me go to my content. Now let's go to my videos first before we take a look at, let's just go to my videos. Okay, now you want to know how much YouTube pays for less than 100 views. So let me go to this particular video. Okay, develop a creator's mindset. This one is less than 100. Okay, now let's check the video performance, and we go to revenue. Okay, can you see that video was around 80 something views and I got 85 cents from it? Now there's something very important that I need to show you. I will explain further as we go on. Okay, take a look at how much advertisers were willing to pay for this video. They were willing to pay $20. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. But unfortunately, this video just got 80 views. Come to think of it, if you haven't watched this video, okay, look at the card on the screen. Go and watch it. Help my life. All right, so please go and watch it. Help me now. Get me the views and let me make money. Okay, so if this video had gotten up to 1k views, you can imagine how much I would have made from it. But it's less than 100 views, and the advertisers are willing to pay $20 per 1k views. So, but I got 85 cents on this video. All right, so let's go to another video. Let's see a video that has up to 100 views or more, because I don't think I have anyone that is just around 100 views. All right, so let's take a look at this particular video. Let's check out the performance revenue now. $54, you guys. That's what I made. Did I say $50? 54 cents. Now, can you compare it with the previous video? This one had more views than the other one. No? This one is giving me 54 cents. Now, let's see how much advertisers are willing to pay. $5. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Okay. All right. So now let's go and take a look at another video. Let's look at a video that is around 500 views. Okay, look at this video. It's around 500 views. This get 1000 watch hours. Let's see the performance of this video. Let's go to the revenue. Okay, guys, I made $1.03 from this video. Advertisers were willing to pay, oh my goodness, advertisers were willing to pay $4.53. Okay, let's go and take a look at a video that is around 1000 views. Okay, this one is 1003k views. Let's see whether this video, if I got, this video was just before my monetization, but let's see how much I made for this video. I got 68 cents. How much are advertisers willing to pay? 51 cents. Okay, all right, so let's now look at the video with my highest views so far. Okay, this video, the video with my highest view. All right, let's now see how much I earned from this video. Let's say 40k views. I got $242 from this video. So you can see, okay, YouTube pays. So now, how much were advertisers willing to pay for this video? $5. So you can see that so far in all of the videos I've shown you, it's just that first one that advertisers were willing to pay $20. All right, so now I want to share with you the different categories for which advertisers make their payments, because you can see that in some of these videos, right, some revenue were higher than the others, even though some of them that were lower in views were the ones with the higher revenue. So the different criteria that determine what your payment will look like is: one, the CTR, click-through rate. How high is your click-through rate? If you have a high click-through rate, then the tendency of your RPM being high is there. Okay. Another thing is views. How many views? How much views did you gather from the time of uploading the video? If it's gaining traction really fast, advertisers will rush that video and you stand a chance of earning high on the RPM to the CPM. I hope I got that correctly. Okay. Another category is how long a viewer stays on the video. So if your video is losing views at a very short span, your RPM is likely to be low. Okay, so if viewers are staying for a long period of time, then you get a high RPM on that video. Another criteria is the length of the video. If your video is above 8 minutes, then there's going to be at least 3 advertisements on that video. And of course, that means that you make more money from that video. But if your video is below 8 minutes, you're getting less than 3 adverts on that video. Of course, that affects your revenue. Okay, now the last criteria, which is how much advertisers are willing to pay. Somehow I already connected it to one of the criteria. Okay, so when advertisers look at your video, then they decide on what they want to pay, how much they want to pay for each video. That also affects what revenue that you get. So that's why you see that some video with low view make even more money than videos with high views. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that this video was able to answer all of your curiosities when it comes to payments on YouTube. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and share to somebody who might need it. Also, have you joined my growth group? Oh yeah, check the description and join. We coach people, we do channel reviews, we show you how you can build your subscribers fast and get your watch hour. What are you waiting for? Hop into my description to join. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the video on my screen right now. Okay, bye.